day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Sheila Lane Camagay Bautista. I am 34 years old. I am a single mom with one daughter, aged 12 years old. I live in Magasi, Cabagan, Isabela. I have one brother and 4 sisters. I am the third child in the family. I am a high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work in Macau for 2 years as a domestic helper. I serve 5 persons. I do cleaning the house like mopping and vacuuming the floors, cleaning the glasses, cleaning the bathroom and comfort room. I do also cooking, washing clothes and ironing.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, ma'am, sir. Hope you select me as your worker. I am a hardworking, honest, and responsible person.